Hello everyone, and welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to connect your Apple AirPods to any laptop. Whether you're using a Windows PC or a MacBook, we'll walk you through the simple steps to get your AirPods paired and ready for use. Let's dive in. First, let's cover the general prerequisites. Before you begin, ensure your AirPods are charged and inside their charging case. Also, make sure your laptop's Bluetooth is turned on and discoverable. This is a crucial first step for both Windows and Mac OS users. Now, let's start with connecting AirPods to a Windows laptop. The process is straightforward. Begin by opening the charging case of your AirPods. Do not remove the AirPods from the case yet. Next, locate the small circular setup button on the back of your AirPods charging case. Press and hold this button for a few seconds. You'll notice the status light on the case begin to pulse white. This indicates that your AirPods are now in pairing mode. On your Windows laptop, navigate to the Start menu. From there, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the Settings window, select Devices. This section manages all connected peripherals, including Bluetooth devices. Within the Devices menu, click on Bluetooth and other devices from the left-hand sidebar. Ensure that the Bluetooth toggle switch is set to on. If it's off, simply click it to activate Bluetooth. Now, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. A new window will pop up, presenting you with options for the type of device you want to add. Select Bluetooth from the options. Your Windows laptop will now begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. In the list of available devices, you should see your AirPods appear. They might be listed as AirPods or AirPods Pro, depending on your model. Click on your AirPods to select them. Your laptop will then attempt to pair with your AirPods once connected. You'll see a confirmation message, and your AirPods will be listed under the audio section in the Bluetooth and other devices settings. You can now close the AirPods case and start using them. To ensure your AirPods are working correctly, you can play some audio on your laptop. If you encounter any issues, try disconnecting and reconnecting them, or restarting your laptop. Now, let's move on to connecting AirPods to a MacBook. The process is even more seamless for Apple users. Just like with Windows, ensure your AirPods are charged and in their case, and your MacBook's Bluetooth is enabled. On your MacBook, open the AirPods charging case. Again, keep the AirPods inside the case. Press and hold the Setup button on the back of the AirPods case until the status light begins to pulse white. This puts your AirPods into pairing mode. On your MacBook, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings or System Preferences on older Mac OS versions. In the System Settings window, click on Bluetooth in the sidebar. Ensure that the Bluetooth toggle is set to on. Your MacBook will automatically scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. You should see your AirPods appear in the list of devices. Click on the Connect button next to your AirPods. Your MacBook will then pair with your AirPods once connected. Your AirPods will appear as a connected device, and you'll see a connected status next to them. You can now close the AirPods case and enjoy your audio. For quick access in the future, you can also connect your AirPods directly from the Bluetooth icon. Simply click the Bluetooth icon. Hover over your AirPods and select Connect. Troubleshooting tips for both Windows and Mac OS if your AirPods aren't connecting. Try turning Bluetooth off and on again on your laptop. You can also try resetting your AirPods by holding the Setup button for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber, then white. This will factory reset them, and you can try pairing again. And there you have it. Connecting your AirPods to a laptop, whether it's Windows or Mac OS, is a quick and easy process. We hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.